Hello, my name is Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable Google Authenticator app for your Instagram accounts on phone. So to start, first you need to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. To watch the video how you can install Google Authenticator app, on the top, click on the link to watch the video on how you can install Google Authenticator on your mobile phone. So after installing Google Authenticator on your phone, again you need to install Instagram web or Instagram mobile app on your phone. So to learn how you can install Instagram mobile app on your phone, on the top, click on how you can install Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after installing it, you first need to enter your username and password for your Instagram accounts. Then you click on login button, your Instagram mobile app to access your Instagram mobile app. So this is my Instagram web portal on my mobile. So to enable Google Authenticator app as my two-factor authentication for my Instagram account, click on home, then I click on more, then I click on settings, and I click on security, and I click on two-factor authentication. So this will prompt me to add extra security to my account. So to get started, to enable two-factor authentication using Authenticator app, you click on get started. Then you go to Authenticator app to back and recommend it. To enable it, this will prompt you to get a code for your Google Authenticator app. Because I have installed Google Authenticator app, I click on next. It will automatically choose Google Authenticator app as my default Authenticator app to link my Instagram account to my Google Authenticator as my two-factor authentication. So I click on just once. I click on OK to add my Instagram accounts to my Google Authenticator app by clicking add accounts. So now I've added my Instagram accounts to my Google Authenticator. So I'm coming to link the app onto my Instagram account. So I switch to my Instagram accounts and I click on next. It will prompt me to enter a confirmation code generated by Google Authenticator app. So I switch to my Google Authenticator app and I copy this code by double clicking on it. I switch to my Instagram account, then I paste it. Confirm accounts to link to my Google Authenticator app. After confirm it, I click on done. This enable my two-factor authentication by enable my two-factor authentication for my Instagram accounts. So now I've linked my Instagram accounts to Google Authenticator. So I log out on my Instagram accounts and I try to log in again. Click on profile, then I scroll through. I scroll to the top, then I click on log out. Click on log out. This will log out my account from my Instagram accounts. So I've logged out from my Instagram accounts. So to log in, I enter Instagram username and password. I've already opened, then I input my Instagram password using the Instagram mobile app on my phone. So I input the password, then I click on login. It will prompt me to enter verification code or to confirm. So to confirm it, I open my Google Authenticator app, then I copy. It says the key code generated by my Google Authenticator app. Then I switch to my Instagram mobile app, then I paste the code, then I click on confirm. This confirm my login to my Instagram web portal. Thank you for watching this video.